Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then lenticonus. Lenticonus is actually an abnormal development of cone-like structure over the lens. This is the lens, but the lens becomes a small elevation is seen over the lens, which is called as lenticonus. If it is seen anteriorly, then it is called as anterior lenticonus. If the similar elevation is seen posteriorly, then we call it as posterior lenticonus. So lenticonus can be both anterior lenticonus and it can be posterior lenticonus. Now, in the anterior lenticonus, it mainly involves the Alport syndrome is important in anterior lenticonus, whereas in the posterior lenticonus occurs in Lawey's syndrome. So this is the anterior lenticonus. This is the lens. This is the this is the elevation which is seen on the lens, which is called as anterior lenticonus. Here, this is the lens. This is the posterior elevation seen on the lens, which is called as posterior lenticonus.
thank you and thank you for watching.